Hello everyone, I just got my monitor in from the mail and this cat is already claiming it. Move! Okay, we're gonna unbox it now. Where we go here? First time buying a brand new monitor. It's supposed to be 140 Hz, 1080p. Yeah. 24 inch. And it's ergonomic and it can tilt. Hopefully it looks good. Alright. Okay, we got the manual, power wire, HDMI, we have the stand. This is for the monitor itself. Reveal. Oh, I thought it'd be heavy. It's pretty light. Okay, and here it is. Doesn't weigh that much. I need to attach it now. Supposed to be that. Oh no, I think you just slap it on. Yeah, I think we just slap it on. Okay. Ta-da! There it is. I think that's it. So let's try.
That's all the parts?
Yeah, so I think we just have to attach it. So we have this power consumption TV. It doesn't have HD properly on it, so we're gonna take this one out.
Hey, it's my new TV. Just buy me a DVD player. Whoa. Did you see the side? The way when you push it up and down?
Okay, so this monitor has a feature of going up and down to adjust to your view. And you can make it go tilt it up and then tilt it down a little bit to make it comfortable. I believe you can also twist it. Yeah. Let's say you have dual monitors or you want to do something like that. It's a neat feature. Plug in. Plug it in.
You look like a fish.
Ah! Huh?
You look like a fish. Your eyes.
They didn't even label it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Pretty self-explanatory. And then on. Ooh. This pretty keyboard and pretty mouse and my mouse pad.
Oh, oops. How did I get there? Alright. Wow, so clear. Wow. Wow.
Well, your camera can't capture it pretty well.
But if you can't see it, I can, but it's so clear. What the heck? Okay, so this monitor has 144 Hz enable on it, and I can tell the pixels on it are really clear. Okay, this is the unboxing of the Acer Gaming XFA series monitor. It has 144 Hz. I just wanted 1080p. I'm not really caring about 4K at the moment until the price goes down, and then I'll bother with it. I primarily got it because it has eye protection, so let's say it gets really strenuous on the eyes. I can use a blue light filter. Let's see if it has it. Strained, so you want to turn it down. I believe, yeah, you turn it up for blue light. This is a feature that they have on your phones, Android, so this is something that, this is the primary reason why I got this monitor, so my eyes won't get strained. So that's it of Alan beginning of this video, and it's unboxing. Bye bye.